First let us grow it from seed. Buy fully ripe longan fruits, and take out their seeds. Wash the seeds and soak them in water for 2 days. First germinate the seeds in a paper towel. The paper towel seed germination will speed up the growing process and you will know which seeds will not grow into plants. Fold the seeds in a moist paper towel. Enclose the folded seeds in a polythene bag. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. The seed may take a few weeks to germinate. These are the germinated seeds. Plant the germinated seed about 2 centimeters deep in free-draining soil. Keep the soil moist. The seedling will grow in a few days. This is the longan seedling grown from seed. Now transplant it into a bigger pot. Pot size. Young seedling in a too big pot can rot roots due to excessive moisture. So start with a smaller pot and later on transfer it in a bigger pot as plant grows. Longans have a robust root system, so finally you have to repot it to a larger with a diameter of at least 24 inches to ensure enough space for the roots to spread and support the growth of a healthy tree. Do not use tall pots with narrow base, they will topple down as the tree grows or even in wind. The container should provide good drainage with drainage holes. The standing water in the pot may kill the plant. Position, where to grow. Longan trees love sunlight. Choose a location where the tree can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Place the pot in the hottest area of your garden which does not remain wet for a long time. Excessive flooded condition may kill the tree. Move the pot under cover to avoid such situations. Soil. Longan trees need slightly acidic, free-draining and nutrition-rich soil. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand and 15% compost. The river sand makes the soil free-draining while compost makes the soil slightly acidic and nutrition-rich. This combination ensures proper aeration, moisture retention, and nutrient availability for the longan tree. Repotting. When repotting into a larger pot, keep the root ball at the same depth in the soil as it was in the previous pot. When repotting a mature tree in the same pot, trim about 25% of bottom roots and add new soil and compost. This will keep the tree happy and healthy. Mulch. Apply a thick layer of mulch like wood chips, sugarcane mulch to hold soil moisture and prevent weeds. Watering longan tree. Keep the soil of young tree moist but not wet. Young longan plant will need watering at least once a day during hot days. Water only when the top 1-inch soil gets dry. Continuously wet soil may kill the tree. Overwatering or underwatering will cause leaves to turn yellow. Do not use a saucer at the bottom of the pot for drainage of excess water, or if you use it then remove the water from it. In winter, the plant may not need water for several days. When the trees start to bear fruit, water regularly. Pruning. Pruning the tips of branches during spring and summer will grow more branches and make the tree compact and dense. First pruning is done when the plant is seedling. Cut at the height of about 6 inches to promote growth of new branches. Cut back any dead or diseased branches. See new branches at cut points have grown. You can pinch again to promote more branches. You can prune the tree after harvest to control its size. Fertilizer for Longan. Apply only cow manure in the first year. Then feed a balanced fertilizer 3 times a year. Do not fertilize in winter. Sprinkle fertilizer away from the trunk along the rim of the pot and mix in the soil. Over-fertilization can prevent fruit development. Top dress with compost or cow manure. Then put a layer of mulch and water. Feed a liquid fertilizer like Power Feed or Miracle Grow from spring to late summer every 2 weeks. Pests and diseases. The most common pest on Longan tree are aphids and scales on new shoots, flowers and fruits. A periodic spray of neem oil may treat the insect problems. Mix 1 ml neem oil, 1 ml pest oil and a few drops of liquid dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray on all the leaves. Longan tree is relatively free from major diseases. Longan flower and fruit. The longan grown from seed will start to grow flowers and fruits after 6 years or more. The longan tree does not bear fruit every year. Longan is self-pollinating, so other tree is not needed for pollination. Hand pollination can increase fruit production. This is a 7-year-old longan tree that I grew from seed. It has started to grow fruits. If your tree fail to grow fruits even it is very old, then spray potassium chlorate or sodium hypochlorite on older leaves to induce flowering. Excessive rain during flowering may cause flower drop and reduce pollination. Move the pot under cover. Longans do not continue to ripen after they are picked from the tree, so be sure that the fruits are ripe before harvesting. You may pick one fruit and taste it before harvesting. You can refrigerate the fruits in plastic bag for later use. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.